Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. In today's video, we are solving a super fun and easy lead code problem called kids with the greatest number of candies. If you are watching my video for the first time, then do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any videos on this channel. Okay, let's get started with the problem. Here we have been given an array called candies. Okay, and here each element represents how many candies each kid has right now. And you also have a number called extra candies, which is the number of candies you can give to any kid. Okay, our task here is to figure out for each kid if giving them all the extra candies would make their total equal to or greater than the max candies any kid currently has. Okay, so for example, we have been given an array called candies and it has 5 kids and their number of candies. Okay, and number of extra candies is 3. If we give 3 candies to first kid, then it will make their total candies 5, which means it will either be equal to maximum number of candies or greater than. So we will return true. And for 3, if we add 3 into this kid, so it will make 6, which is greater than 5, so that will also be returned as true. And similarly for 5, it will be 8, which is obviously greater than 5, so it will return true. But in case of 1, that means fourth kid will have only 4 candies even if we give him the extra candies, but 4 is not greater than 5, that means it will return false. And similarly for 3, that means fifth kid in our example, it will have 6 candies, which is greater than 5, that means it will have the maximum candies, so that will also be returned as true. So that's it. And now if I want to explain the approach, first we will find the maximum number of candies any kid currently has, that means maximum element in the list that has been given to us, and we will loop through the list of candies, and for each kid we will add extra candies to their count and check if this total is greater than or equal to current max. And if it is based on the condition, we will append true or false to the result list accordingly. Okay, so let's write the code. Here we have been given this function like kids with candies, and it takes 2 inputs, like first one is candies and the second one is extra candies. Here candies is a list. Okay, so we will define max candies equal to max of candies. Okay, like max of the list. And now we will check return candy plus extra candy, like this one, sorry, extra candies if it is equal or greater than max candies. For candy in candies. Okay, so this will return the true or false. Now let me run it and check if it works or not. As we can see here that the code accepts the first test case, and then second test case is also working for this code. And now we will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases in this problem or not. We can see here that our code beats almost 84.30% of users in terms of complexity. So that's it. And hit the like button if you liked the solution, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in next video.